They're all giving me the face.
Dude, what's happening? What's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are in Miami, South Beach. South Beach. We're in Hollywood Beach in Florida, about 20 minutes north of Miami and South Beach. Yesterday I didn't think it was great to vlog the trip. I was just trying to chill on the plane, not trying to worry about getting shots. But today we're gonna try to vlog everything. We're going to, we're gonna chill by the pool, chill at the beach.
Oh, yo, did you tell them how we're going to see how to Trump? Yeah, we're going to f**king up Trump because he's a greasy fuck.
Yeah. So anyways, we're gonna chill by the beach, chill by the pool today, and then later on we're gonna go to this like sick outlet mall. They have like a Gucci outlet, Montclair outlet, a bunch of other shit. So should be a fun trip. And then tomorrow we're gonna head out round 2 South Beach. They just opened up like 2 weeks ago, so hopefully that should be also fun. But you're fat. We're back with this shirtless vlogs. Haven't been doing much. We're about to go out to the outlet mall, so we're gonna get some shots of the beach, then go to the outlet mall. And there should be a lot more to vlog at the outlet mall because we'll actually be doing stuff instead of just sitting by the pool. So yeah. The mall that we're going to, there's like a Gucci outlet, there's a Montclair outlet, Burberry. So it's like a designer outlet. It's gonna be really sick. Hopefully we'll be able to cop some stuff. So this is gonna be like Hypebeast Shopping Miami Part 1, and then we're gonna go to round 2 in the other stores, and then that'll be Part 2. Guys, we're dressed, we're ready to go to the outlet.
I'm not dressed.
Well, he's not dressed.
Hey,
anyways,
hey,
cute little outfit. We got a cute little outfit, OVO, Air Max 97s. Tomorrow when we go to round 2, I mean, I traveled in the Cactus Jacks. They're really comfortable, but gotta give them a break. I have high hopes for this. I've been like the outlet mall like slashes the price. Like I got my Gucci wallet at the outlet mall for, I think it was $210 Canadian after tax, which is like insane. That's like 50% off regular Gucci prices. So, you know, yep. Hopefully. I've kind of beat these Air Max 97s, but you know what? That's what I bought them for. So, trying not to spend too much money tonight at the outlet because I still want to save some money for round 2 and save some money like overall. But you know, if I see something that's really sick and like a good price, I might have to cop.
Guys, back at the vlog. We're almost at the mall. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Let's do it.
Wow, we've got a
Finally at the outlets.
we spoke about something, right? No, we did.
We found Gucci, so we're going there now. Alright, so Luca copped the Gucci shoes. Currently undressing them in the middle of the mall to switch them out for these Beat NMD R1s.
It even comes with bags for the shoe. They're all giving me the face.
Really hyped right now. You know, Luca didn't buy that. I bought that. This is my Montclair jacket. Luca bought the Gucci shoes. I needed a winter jacket. I ended up buying a Montclair something or other. Ended up buying a Montclair bomber jacket. I've had my eye on this for a while. So yeah, I'm really hyped I was able to get this. Yeah, back from dinner.
Gucci on my face. Gucci on my feet. Yeah.
Back from dinner, back from the mall. I'm just going to kind of go over with you guys kind of what we bought today, kind of just wrap up today's episode. Alright guys, so what Luca bought today, this was from the Gucci outlet. He bought a pair of Gucci shoes. To be honest, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I don't know the actual name of them, I just know they're Gucci high tops, but they're pretty dope. He bought those, I think they were $350, so that's a pretty good deal. And yeah, just bought this Montclair winter jacket. Also bought from the Montclair outlet. So this is the jacket overall. As you can see, it has the Montclair patch over here. Quick authentication reasons, I think it's in this pocket. So as you can see, this is, if it'll focus, it's the Montclair authentication tag. There we go, there's the Montclair authentication tag. This came out to about, I think it was $800 American, which is a really good price for Montclair. Maybe $853 after tax, something like that. But yeah, I really like the color. I was looking at this other one. I'll show you guys a pic. It's a pretty cute pic of me standing like a gaylord, looking like a cutie. I actually think this one's a much better material, much softer material, and it's a nicer color. So I was really happy I was able to get this. And tomorrow we're going to be going to round 2, so we're going to see what else I can get. Yeah, I'm not sure if Luca's going to be trying to cop anything tomorrow at round 2 because he spent, a lot of his money on the Gucci shoes. So, if he sees something that's a steal, maybe, but tomorrow's probably going to be focusing on me. Yeah, there's the Montclair jacket. This is my cop of the day, and I really needed a winter jacket. A little photo shoot with his shoes over here. And he bought these today. It was a pretty fun day. We didn't do that much by the pool, but we did go to the outlet mall. I hope we got a decent amount of footage for you guys. And I ended up copying a Montclair winter jacket. He ended up copying a pair of Gucci shoes. This is just our first day in Florida, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be a really fun trip. And by the way, I did see a pair of Gucci shoes. I'll show you guys a picture. I'm still considering them. I'm not sure. So you guys can leave in the comments what you think I should do about the shoes, whether you like them, whether you don't, whether you think they look like a gay pride flag on a shoe. See you guys first thing in the morning. Tomorrow is going to be a fun day.